eyes need to be closed. So these are our blindfolds. Look how I put them on.
Maybe we need to
Okay?
get something.
No, it's okay. Right, I'm going to show you this, and when I'm done, it's going to be yours soon, okay? So watch, my blindfolds are going on, so I can't see. Okay, look. Ready? Okay.